Hi, friends. Welcome to the Big 6 lesson introduction. This is Mrs. Sargent, your school librarian. And the purpose of this lesson is to introduce you to the Big 6 method of research. You will learn the 6 steps that will help you become effective and efficient researchers. So the standards that we cover in this lesson all have to do with research. The Common Core Standard for English Language Arts in Writing says that conducts short research projects that build knowledge through investigation of different aspects of a topic. The ISTE standard is Constructor 3A, where students plan and employ effective research strategies to locate information. And the 2018 AASL standards, which are the school library standards in which learners think, display curiosity and initiative by formulating questions about a personal interest or curricular topic. What is the Big 6? The Big 6 is a method of research that has 6 steps that will guide you as you search for information. It also will help you organize and evaluate the information necessary for accurate research. The 6 steps are: number 1, task definition; number 2, information seeking strategies; number 3, location and access; number 4, use of information; number 5, synthesis; and number 6, evaluation. The pre-assessment is a short quiz that is found in the Big 6 Blendspace lesson. After you watch this video, I would like you to complete the quiz. In conclusion, after you watch this video, I want you to take the pre-assessment. Next, I want you to watch the Big 6 explainer video. Then, look at the additional resources and the handout. And finally, watch the conclusion video. All of these are found in your Blendspace lesson.